I'll just start from the requests in the chat so I can see Audia, Rose, Alpaca, and Ethereum. Maybe before I jump into them, I would love to see DOGE, because there's a lot of noise about DOGE at the minute, and I would like to see what happened. I didn't get in, but I am really interested how the dodgy coin is doing. So we all know that Dodge is Elon's pet coin. A lot of people always love to tag him and bring his attention to what the coin is doing. So this is a weekly chart. I don't know what I just did there a second ago. My computer, as always, is just lagging. This is a weekly outlook, and what we can see here has been in pretty much constant downtrend with little bounces along the way. And now what we see, it actually on a weekly chart, it has formed like a lovely W here and pushed above that level of support that obviously has been acting as a rejection point here at around 7 cents, 73. We're seeing this nice push here. I'm going to zoom in as well just to see on the smaller time frame what it did to us. So the weekly chart, obviously we have the 50 here, we're below that, but that's not a surprise. But there's a little cross happening here between 5 and 13. So it'd be interesting if this holds, if they cross and we keep pushing higher. Obviously, there isn't a lot, like if Dodge flips around this level, I suppose the 90 cent would be an important level. To flip that, it could easily come up and actually take, this is a weekly chart, so this might take a while, obviously, all the way above the 10 cent, 11 cent, possibly even 12, 13. There's a newfound, I suppose, attention being paid to Dodge, because there is this DOGE chain that's been built, and I've mentioned this actually to you several times. I've shared this a lot of times as well already on social media. They were having a very big campaign driving attention to the DOGE chain, because they've built a chain that is bringing basically utility to your coins that you've been holding. And because Dodge has a huge following, a massive community, obviously this was at some point going to catch on. The campaign involved like a lot of giveaways. They were giving away a lot of money, and I think one of the main prizes was also a Tesla. So obviously they made sure that there was a lot of eyes on them. I'm not going to be surprised if, again, Elon sees this and then is going to send it wild. Basically, it's wrapping anything Dodge into the chain, and you can use it across the board with the Dodge chain. I just wanted to really see what was happening with it. A lot of people found themselves trapped in shorts with this coin. I think they were obviously expecting this level to just not hold or come back down from here. However, Dodge decided to totally rip through. Whether it's related to the Dodge chain news or not, you know, it's always interesting to see how coins look on chart before tying to anything that's happened around them, because you can see this level here, you know, we were below the 50. This like I said, it could have been like a little gamble here going, and that's I think why people were getting caught here in the shorts. They didn't think, you know, this is going to hold. A little bit of push above the 50, that resistance level, I think they were expecting this to come back down and go lower. On 4-hour chart, So it's still pumping, it is still going higher. Let's just zoom in a small bit to the price action. So look, great stuff. Like I mean, look at the how many shorts must have gotten caught here. I think there's official already around Twitter. You can see a lot of data being shared about it. So this was probably what was expected, just to come up here and then reject. Yet it literally just keeps pumping. I want to just see the other. Obviously, the alpha trend, my favorite. On the alpha trend, yeah, definitely changes the perspective here. It has been showing a lot of strength. That's why I love this indicator, because it kind of gives you a different set of eyes. You add all your confluences, your EMAs, your MAs, your fib, all that, but you can actually judge the strength and you can judge the flips on a smaller time frame more closely with this indicator. So yeah, that's a nice pump, nice push. Let's just give it a quick look. Obviously guys, I wouldn't advise on getting into the DOGE at this point. It's just pumping, just from even this point in here, that's about 16% push. Nice if you're scalping, or even for a short quick day trade. It's literally just push from the daily close last night. That's what, like less than 12 hours, and you could have made yourself a nice 16% on DOGE. So yeah, don't chase it. Wait for it to either basically reach a pivot point where you bet against it, or you go with it. I don't know, is it gonna keep pumping? Because this is a bear market we're in. Unless Elon comes out and tweets. So on a short time frame, look, we've had this level here, 88. What we need to see is this come up here, keep kind of consolidating and push up higher to the 11 cent. That's potential another trade, or else it's gonna retrace back maybe to the midpoint here. Another trade you can take. It's up to your own risk, up to your own management, how you want to play this, and what your style is, obviously, whether you're a day trader, scalper, or a holder.